Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I will be showing you how to make these espresso brown butter chocolate chip cookies from Broma Bakery that are to die for. And the best part is enjoying these cookies with an iced vanilla latte made with Javi coffee. The reason why I really love this recipe is that it's very simple. You could probably get away with just using 2 bowls, a spatula, and a whisk in order to put these cookies together. You'll want to start by combining all of your dry ingredients, so this includes your flour, espresso powder, salt, and baking soda. Another key ingredient from this recipe is making sure to brown your butter and then combine that with your sugar. The brown butter adds a whole nother depth and layer to the flavor of these cookies. It brings out this certain nuttiness that I think is really unique. In addition to the sugar, you will want to add in your egg yolk, and vanilla extract and mix those ingredients together. Once that's combined, you'll go ahead and mix the dry ingredients into your wet ingredients until everything comes together. Just fold it gently until everything is just incorporated. You don't want to overmix. The last thing is to fold in 4 ounces of dark chocolate that's been roughly chopped. You still want it to have big chunks and pieces so that you can get pools of chocolate once they come out of the oven. As the dough rests, you'll notice that it'll start coming together and being a lot thicker than it was before. At this point, you'll want to refrigerate your cookie dough for at least half an hour or overnight. Scoop out about a tablespoon for each cookie dough ball, and then my little trick is to top with some additional chocolate to make sure the top has lots of chocolate chips and chunks on there. I also think it's great to sprinkle on a little bit of flaky sea salt or Malden sea salt to add just another level of flavor. And the last thing that I would definitely recommend to enjoy these cookies with is Javi coffee concentrate. This microdose coffee is so interesting and so cool. About 1 to 2 teaspoons of the Javi concentrate can create a 6-ounce coffee for you. So it makes about 30 cups in 1 container. It was actually a really smooth and flavorful coffee. I didn't even need to add any vanilla extract or cinnamon or anything like that. I just added a bit of oat milk and some ice, and I dipped my warm cookie in there, and let me tell you, it was a good time. So definitely check out Javi Coffee. I'll leave the link to their site in my description box below. And that is all I have for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.